All right, so we get a lot of questions around integrating AI into the front office for dental offices, both from single practices to DSOs to emerging DSOs. Think of any kind of scenario where how do we look at voice as an AI component, text as an AI component, and even like web chat or like a chatbot on the website. So what we're seeing is like with between those three modalities, the real goal and the real, I guess, North Star for all of this is to meet the patient where they're at, right? So sometimes people like to call in and talk to Susie at the front desk. Sometimes people just want to text. Sometimes people want to jump in and have a voice AI book and schedule an appointment for you, or they go online, right? So how do we make sure that we're meeting the patient to where they're at and creating that like really just the best patient experience we can? On the flip side, how do we then integrate and make sure these bookings are happening and appointments are happening so that the DSO single practices are seeing and like getting the revenue through the door, right? So we also have to, it is a business, so we have to have that side as well. So what we look at in a few different ways is the need for AI, right? Or is the front office fully optimized? Or do we need it in the front part of the office? Do we need it on the back end? Just meaning like, how do we look at the need at a DSO level, a single practice, and try to understand what they want for their patients? And we have the ability at Peerlogic to support that in all different ways. And given that we've been around for 6 years, integrating with all their in-house software to look at reporting, push appointments through, look at scheduling is really the key component that sets us apart. So we're building on top of enterprise grade type software and integrations and layering these modalities to create the best patient experience possible.